This is a page of penciled comics by Denys Cowan, an artist I've inked a great deal. Denys' style is very loose, and if you're inking him, you have to work hard to fill in a lot of blanks. This is a page of comics art by Ethan Van Sciver, another penciler I've inked quite a bit. As you can see, Ethan's pencils are a lot more finished and extremely detailed. Ethan doesn't leave the inker much wiggle room for interpretation. Personally, I don't think it's necessary to go to this level of detail in the pencil stage. Here's a pencil page by the comics artist John Romita Jr. I really admire John's pencils for two reasons. His basic drawing and storytelling skills are just terrific, and I think he puts in just the right amount of detail for an inker to work with. The characters are pretty finished, but he leaves a lot of the backgrounds kind of unfinished, so the inker can really spread his or her wings and have some fun filling in the details.